In this video we will review a $70 LED light that truly has some awesome features and that you should definitely have in your arsenal. Hey, what's up guys, Julian from smartphonefilmmakingpro.com here, the ultimate online course about smartphone filmmaking. And today we'll take a closer look at the Falcon F7 mini LED light from the company Falconize. This company was kind enough to send me this light for a review. However, they did not tell me what to say and they did not pay me anything. So everything that you're going to hear throughout this video is 100% my true and honest opinion. So when you order this light, you get a carrying case, you get a silicone diffusion, a grid to focus the light, a USB to USB Type-C cable, and a little ball head to mount the light wherever you want. So you get a lot in the package. And this light is powered via an internal battery, which doesn't last forever, but in real life situations you get about 70 minutes out of this, which should be plenty enough for most shootings. But now let's finally talk about the light itself. The awesome part about this light is that this is an LED light with a very high quality light, which means this has a CRI level of 96. And just by the way, CRI stands for Color Rendering Index. And as a rule of thumb, you can remember everything above 95% is a pretty good light. This small tiny light goes from 2500 Kelvin all the way to 9000 Kelvin, which means you can shoot a candlelight scene with a color temperature of 2500 Kelvin. And you can also shoot in super high sunshine scenes with a color temperature of more like 9000 Kelvin. And you can change the temperature with this little dial on the light itself, or you could also download their app from their app store and use this. You can control all the settings directly on the light itself. If you press this red button shortly, you can change the mode, and with this dial you can dial in the exact settings that you like. And when you use it for the first time, it definitely takes some time to get used to it, but once you figured out how it works just fine. And in my opinion, the way better way to use this light is to use the app. And dialing in the settings is just way quicker and also way easier. So I would definitely recommend to download this app and to use that. Once you have downloaded the app, you have to turn on Bluetooth, and then your phone and the light will more or less connect automatically. And like I said before, this is the best way to use this light. You can dial in all the settings that you like, and you can access some special modes like firework, flashwork, police, and so on, which is truly awesome for some special effects without spending thousands and thousands of dollars. But today I won't go super in depth into the navigation of the app because it's just very self-explanatory. So next up, let's talk about the magnets this light has on the back of it. And this is also an awesome little party trick that I really love. Since this light is so small and since it's so lightweight, I just love that it has magnets, and so that I can mount it basically everywhere. And also the compact size is awesome for traveling, of course. And I started using it recently as a backlight for my tutorial videos inside of Smartphone Filmmaking Pro. The flexibility this light has is awesome, and you can use every color you want, and it's freaking tiny. In the full Smartphone Filmmaking Pro course, I do have a video where I show you in depth how I light my videos, and I also show you how each light affects the final image. And if you want to learn more, make sure to watch my free webinar where I share the top 5 secrets to shooting cinematic videos. So to summarize, this light is super compact, it's extremely versatile, it has an awesome light quality, and it's also relatively cheap. And are there any downsides? Well, if I have to name something, then I would maybe call the battery life. This is not amazing, but actually the only thing that I could complain about. Generally speaking, when it comes to those LED lights, I love to use them as backlights and not as much as a key light. And since this light is so small, it also offers itself to be used as a little key light when you are vlogging. And I will test this out soon when I got my smartphone camera rig. But more about that in future videos. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so. And if you're interested in buying this light for yourself, I do have a link down in the description where you can check it out for yourself. So overall, I can say I really love this light, especially since it is so tiny. I always carry it with me, and the light quality is awesome. So yeah, you can't really go wrong with this light. But that's it for today. If you have any further questions, as always, make sure to contact me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.